welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be creaming this cake with buttercream, and I'll be using beginner friendly method. So this method is very easy to do if you are a learner, if you are just starting cake. Get your piping bag, put in your buttercream and start piping around your cake. Anyhow, it must not be smooth, you must not follow the line, just go straight. Make sure all your cakes are covered. This buttercream, the recipe is in my channel, you can search for it. A very smooth buttercream. So pipe it all over until all your cake is covered. This method is very good for beginner. Your cake will not be stained, your buttercream will not be stained with cake particles or what. So I've piped it all over to the top. So the next thing to do, I'll be using my smooth scraper to smooth the cake. Go all over it as many times as you can until everything is smooth. The cake is smooth because the buttercream recipe is very nice and smooth. I'll be going in with my knife spatula. So I'll use my knife spatula to smooth the top. So I use my knife spatula to smooth it up. You don't have to be hard with it, just hold it gently, turn your turning table and it will go smoothly. Now I just want to give it a design, like a comb design. I'll be using my combs scraper to give it that design, but you can leave it smooth like this if you want it. So we just want to make a very simple birthday cake design. So I'll go around it until I get to my desires and until I get it smooth the way I want. So now we are going to be creaming the edge. I'll be scraping away the excess on the edge to get a very smooth and clean edge and head. So the more you practice, the more you get it, guys. Just keep on practicing, you get it. So here we are through with the cake. You can give it any design you want. You can put any topper that you have. So whatever you feel like putting, you can put it. I mix gold dust with edible spirit. I'll be sprinkling it all over the cake just to give it a design. You can do any one of your choice. You can as well leave it like that and just put a topper, happy birthday topper or whatever you like. So let's watch and see how this cake will come out. Thank you guys for the support. Thank you for always watching. Please like, share, subscribe and comment down below. If you watch to this extent and you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you. So I'm putting this gold ball as my topper. So that is our happy birthday topper. So guys, can you see the cake? This is a 7 inches cake, 3 layers. The next thing I'll be doing, I'll put red rose under. This cake is for my friend. She wants a gold and a touch of red cake, so that is why we end up with this design. So this is the end of our design, and she is so in love with it. She loves it so much, and I was happy and glad I end up with this. So guys, like I earlier said, you can use any design of your choice, any topper of your choice. Just go to the cake shop, you get different topper, different design. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.